Matapos masungkit ng tinaguriang The Phenom of Philippine Boxing na si Reggie Suganov ang bakanting WBO Global Light Flyweight title kontra sa kalabang si Ronald Omar Chacon Leon ng bansang Valenzuela. Limang buwan nang lumipas ay sinagupa naman ito ang dumayo at barakong pambato ng Japan na si Kai Ishizawa, na sa tinig at postura pa lang ay kita mo ng matapang at palaban yung tipong patay kung lumaban. Subalit syempre, hindi rin naman basta-basta magpapasindak ang ating Pinoy na bida. Dahil kung sa tapang at puso lang din naman ang pag-uusapan, ay tiyak na hindi magpapadaig tayong mga Pinoy. Bago ang laban, ang ating kababayan ay may kartada noon na 40 na panalo, 4 na KO at 1 talo. Habang ang dayong Hapon ay bit-bit ang record na 11 wins, 10 KO at may 3 talo. Ang kanilang laban ay ginanap sa Holy Name University, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, kung saan ay paglalabanan ng dalawa ang WBO Light Flyweight title na hawak na ating pambatong Pinoy. Sa labang ito ay talaga namang masusubok ang tapang at puso ng Pinoy, sapagkat hindi nga po biro ang mga kalabang Hapon dahil sa 11 na panalo nito at 10 dito ay tinapos niya by a knockout. Bukod pa dito, malakas sa paniniwala ng Hapon na maaagaw niya ang titulo sa ating kababayan. Kaya naman panoorin natin kung talaga nga bang uubra ang pagiging KO artist ng Hapon sa bilaksik ng kamao ng isang Pinoy.
Naka-pink po itong si Ishizawa at ang ating Pilipino naman ay nakasuot ng asul. It's about 5'5" po. Itong si something that Suganov has to be very careful of. Iyayin niya pa sa labas ng Pilipinas. That was against Sivanati, not stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch stomping. Suganov with a very young Luisito Espinosa. The way he's built, vision is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. And you can see no matter where you go, Filipinos are very alam nila kung maganda ang pinakita, alam din nila kung medyo nadedihado, medyo there's a lot of pump by our unofficial scorecards. Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Gymnasium in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Ito po si Noel Zarate para sa PTV4. Atin po sa inyo ng world-class boxing between the Filipino phenom Reggie Suganov versus Kai Ishizawa of Japan. Some connections there, medyo shaken po. Ito si Ishizawa, left open. Kapaan na naman silang dalawa rito. Now trying to go for the body Ishizawa, which could be a good idea against a taller fighter. Tanda po natin that Suganov, halfway mark of round number 2 scheduled for 12. Now body shots being exchange of jabs. No follow-ups yet so far for Ishizawa. It appears that Suganov has now tasted how powerful those punches go for as many body blows as he can, trying to soften up his opponent. He's got a 4-inch reach advantage, a 4-inch height advantage, and about a 4-inch reach advantage as well. Shots to the body. Better defense. So far, the strategy of the Japanese fighters just plow forward and try to go for the body. Still more body shots being thrown by Ishizawa. Closer round, but it's still weight championship. Defending champion, of course, the Filipino phenom, as they call him, Reggie Suganov. So far, not on official scorecard, has taken the first 2 rounds. Ishizawa, of course, out of his 11 wins, 10 wins coming by way of knockout. His lost against Masataka Taniguchi. Coming from Ishizawa. Shot to the body once again. Every time magpakawala ng isa. Ito si Suganov. So far, no consistent headway being gained by Kai Ishizawa. And well, around the ring, of course. Final 23 seconds. And a round that really hasn't turned much in terms of distance coming from Suganov. Japan trying to see if he can turn the tide here. We know he's a power puncher, but he's being a little careless with his defense. Might be a very long day here for the Japanese fighter, but again, the game plan is still the same. Just move forward, go for it. And Ishizawa's not taking it. It's the only positive working now on the side of Ishizawa. He's not allowing his opponent to move forward. Medyo sumandal doon ng matagal. Ito si Sugaid. He's now got his opponents against the ropes. 40 seconds remaining here. A lunging left hand coming from Suganov. Another uppercut. And this time Ishizawa says, bring it on. Another right hand here from Suganov. Displayed here. Kino-contra-tempo niya talaga. Ito si Ishizawa. Every time Ishizawa tries to reload. University Gymnasium in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. It has been rainy here for the past couple of days. And now some stand-up fighting. And Suganov is just picking him off. But this fight goes the distance. That usually favors Suganov. If you look at his record, 14 wins, 1 loss. Only 4 wins coming by way of knockout. Thailand in 2017. Itong si Bongsapon Panlakum. That was actually a first round knockout. Some infighting now. Tandaan po natin, he did have a fight. Even the crowd here a little concerned about seeing the presence of blood on the face of their homeboy. One thing about having a head wound like that, buti na lang, it's not above the eyebrow. Does not impair your vision. But when you see your opponent's white gloves with a little bit of blood, you're already concerned. So far, Ishizawa is actually doing well until that right hook delivered by Suganov, but now Ishizawa. Oh, good exchange there. Ishizawa had the better of it though. Another jab coming in for the Japanese. A lot of misses here for Suganov. Round number 6 comes. Pare po nag-ating sa inyo na aksyon mula po rito sa Holy Name University Gym. A right hook that time from his Japanese opponent. And continuing to power forward goes Ishizawa of Japan, the challenger. Once not for long, sugod na naman. Ito si Ishizawa. Napapasok itong si Ishizawa. Trying to be a counter puncher. We knew he was the aggressor at the start. That uppercut goes through. Attorney Tamdasan. And we are back to bring you the rest of round number 6. Suddenly, bumuhos na naman si Suganov. Not very accurate on the punches, but still enough to get the crowd into it. Body exchange. About a minute remaining here in the 6th. Ishizawa getting a little successful now with those inside incursions. But again, Ishizawa just wants to pin him against the ropes and throw 1 million punches. Uppercut. Gets through another combination here. It's a late surge that might steal the round for Suganov. Referees, Latex Tamdasan instructs them on what not to do in a tie-up like that. You see that Suganov's power is sort of taking a breather at the moment. The wound is not a factor anymore. If you're just joining us, meron pong sugat na natamo. Etong si Reggie Suganov, as early as the first round, tuntok pa lamang po the first round, pero talagang naging wound has been quelled for the moment. Ishizawa once again pounding inside. No response coming from Suganov, who tries to push him back to the middle of the ring. Now Suganov's reach advantage has been negated now because of all of the inside shots coming from Ishizawa. At yung depensa ni Suganov, unti-unti na pong his career. And he did stuff with that knockout box against Masataka Taniguchi in 2019. And they got in 2022. It was a 10th round TKO. Nauunahan na po si Suganov. Again, the reach advantage has been totally negated. Now watch out for the low blows. Taniguchi has really, Ishizawa has really flipped the script here. Naging flat-footed na itong si Suganov. He is retreating, and every time he tries to pull off something, Ishizawa is in its face. Another round moving towards the fighter from Japan. Suganov was so accurate the first 3 rounds. Now we have Suganov ahead, but only by 1 round. The last 3 unofficially have gone the way of Ishizawa. Ishizawa now body hunting. Di na muna niya pakikialaman yung sugat sa ulo nitong si Suganov, which has opened up again. Not quite sure if it came from an accidental headbutt. Some power shots to the body as well from Suganov. He's trying to destroy the timing opponent. And again, itong si Ishizawa is just trying to make inroads in the junior flyweight division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. 7.2 pounds. That's a lot more muscle though for Ishizawa. Oh, good there by the left hook coming from Suganov, and another one. Ishizawa is down. The blood is coming out of Suganov's head, and Ishizawa smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras na si Suganov. Ishizawa missing. Less than a minute remaining here in this pivotal 8th round. 1 knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Suganov. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand earlier sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The side of Ishizawa. It's over. The corner of Kai Ishizawa threw in the towel after the late barrage coming from Reggie Suganov.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, please like and share and subscribe ng Kababayan para lagi ka updated sa mga susunod pang video na katulad nito. At pwede po kayo magpa-shoutout at i-comment nyo lamang sa comment box. Salamat po and God bless.